Okay, good afternoon, students. We'll be studying about blood pressure today for your physiology practical. So, what do you mean by blood pressure? So from the name itself, blood pressure. So, something will be pressurized. It's not it. Something will be like under some pressure. So, what will be under pressure? Blood. So, blood pressure means what? Blood pressure is the force. Okay, blood pressure is the force when the heart pumps blood around your body. Understand? I will explain to you properly in cardiovascular system in theory class. It is there, so I'll explain to you at that time properly. So for now, you just know the overview of blood pressure. Blood pressure means what? Means when blood is forced. Okay, when the force of the blood will pump around your body, it is known as blood pressure. And blood pressure, it is used. So blood pressure can also be known as the measurement of the force of blood against the blood vessels. And this blood pressure, no, it can be written in two numbers. Two numbers means what? Diastolic and systolic blood pressure. I'll explain to you in the next slide about this diastolic and the systolic blood pressure. ओके, सो ब्लड प्रेशर का मतलब क्या है? ब्लड प्रेशर का मतलब जब ये ब्लड फोर्स करता है, ठीक है, मतलब चारों शरीर के तरफ जब फोर्स करता है ये ब्लड, उसको बोलते हैं ब्लड प्रेशर। ठीक है, और ये ब्लड प्रेशर दो नंबर में मतलब मिलता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सिस्टोलिक और डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर। ठीक है, तो मैं ये नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखाऊंगी। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट नंबर ऑन द टॉप. When you measure a blood pressure, the first number which is written at the top is known as what? Is known as systolic pressure. Okay, systolic pressure. When do we hear mostly systolic pressure? Mostly we hear during the the heartbeats. Okay, it is also known as measure when the blood it pressurize the arteries. No? When the blood it pressurize the arteries, that time we can hear the sound of systolic, which is the first what to say, which is the first sound which we can hear when we measure blood pressure. That one is known as systolic pressure. Understand? So the first sound which we hear, that is when we measure the pressure of the arteries. Okay, when the heart beats, it is known as systolic pressure. And the second number, which is at the bottom, it is known as diastolic pressure. So diastolic pressure means what? When your arteries it rests. Okay, means when your heart rests, you can say. What does your heart do? It pumps blood. It's not it. It will contract. It will move in that way. So when your heart will rest, okay, it will relax. So that sound or that part is known as diastolic pressure or diastolic blood pressure. So it is written downside, means below. अंडरस्टैंड डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर और डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर। तो ये जो पहला नंबर है उसको सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर बोलते हैं। सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर का मतलब क्या है? सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर का मतलब जब हार्ट पंप करता है, ठीक है, मतलब जब फंक्शन करता है, जब हार्ट मतलब हार्ट बीट सुनाई देता है ना, मतलब जब जो फर्स्ट आवाज जो आता है उसको बोलते हैं सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर। ओके, और हम लोग ऊपर में लिखते हैं। और डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर का मतलब क्या है? जब हार्ट मतलब रिलैक्स करता है। अंडरस्टैंड? जब हार्ट रिलैक्स करता है उसको बोलते हैं डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर। और ये ज्यादातर नीचे में लिखते हैं हम लोग। ठीक है, ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड टिल हियर? यस, ओके, Okay, so blood pressure can be expressed in what? It can be measured in millimeters of mercury. You have to you have to mention this. Okay, you have to mention this millimeters. That is also known as mm of Hg. That is short form. So you have to write in this way. Whenever you measure in sphygmomanometer, manometer, now I'll explain to you in the next slide about sphygmomanometer. So we usually write this unit, you can say. So the normal blood pressure, what is the normal blood pressure? We write 120 by 80. Okay, so 120 is what? What, systolic or diastolic? Yes, systolic or diastolic? Anyone? The first one which I said. 120 is what blood pressure?
Diastolic.
No, systolic. Okay, it is at the first. And diastolic is 80, which is below. Understand? Don't get confused. The first one, always remember the first sound which you will hear. Okay, when your heart pumps, so you will hear a sound. So that one is known as systolic. So 120 is systolic and diastolic is 80. So it is written in this way: 120 by 80 mm of Hg. Mm means what? Millimeters. Hg means mercury. It is a short form. And 120 by 80 till when? 90 by 60. Okay, this is the normal range of blood pressure of adult, for adult. 120 by 80 to 90 by 60. अंडरस्टैंड? तो ये ब्लड प्रेशर हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? हम लोग मिलीमीटर्स ऑफ मर्क्यूरी करके मतलब लिखते हैं। ठीक है, ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म, उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? एमएम ऑफ एजीजी। ठीक है, तो नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर कितना है? 120 बाई 80 से लेके 90 बाई 60 तक। ठीक है, अगर 90 बाई 60 अबव मतलब ऊपर जाने से या नीचे जाने से वो हो जाएगा, एबनॉर्मल हो जाएगा। समझ में आया? तो 120 बाई 80, 120 सिस्टोलिक है जो ऊपर का है, और 80 मतलब डायस्टोलिक है जो नीचे का है। ठीक है, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
आदमी अननॉर्मल हो गई।
हाँ व्हाट, क्या बोल रहे हो? ओके, तो व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू चेक ब्लड प्रेशर? Means sorry, how will you measure blood pressure? So we will study now. तो हम लोग ये blood pressure कैसे मापेंगे अभी हम लोग देखेंगे। Okay, so let's see now. It is important to measure blood pressure more than once because it fluctuates over the course of the day. Means what? Your blood pressure, na, it keeps on changing. Maybe because uh, how you stay. For example, like if you're too much stressed or if you're too much tired or if you do some physical activities, what will happen? Your blood pressure will fluctuate. It means it will change. Understand? Because of what? Uh, because of the physical activities or because of the changes which is occurring inside your body. So because of that, your blood pressure means it fluctuates, means it will change. अंडरस्टैंड? तो हम लोग ये ब्लड प्रेशर क्यों मापेंगे एक मोर देन वंस, मतलब क्योंकि मतलब हम लोग का ब्लड प्रेशर चेंज होते रहता है। ठीक है, क्यों? उसका कारण क्या हो सकता है? उसका कारण मतलब स्ट्रेस की वजह से भी हो सकता है, और जो मतलब अगर तुम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो या दौड़ रहे हो या कुछ कर रहे हो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज, तो मतलब क्या होगा? तुम्हारा ब्लड प्रेशर चेंज हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Next is so here's this one. I said na just now about physical exertion, stress, pain, or maybe because of extreme heat or cold. Means it depends upon the weather, also the climate which you are staying. So it will depend upon that also. Means it will change. तो मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर डिपेंड करेगा तो कि तुम कैसे रह रहे हो, जैसे कि बहुत दर्द में हो, ठीक है, बहुत स्ट्रेस में हो, या फिर बहुत गर्मी या बहुत ठंडे जगह पे हो, तो ये सब कारण भी मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर चेंज हो सकता है, ठीक है। समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? Okay, so how will you measure blood pressure? Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you measure it? First, you have to ask the person to sit down. Okay, to sit cool and calm means no stress like that. Means you have to make the person relax. तो पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले जो जिसका ब्लड प्रेशर मापोगे उसको बैठने के लिए बोलोगे आराम से, ठीक है। तो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल यू डू? You will have to ask the person's arm. Okay, this is the arm or hand, you can say. You'll have to ask the patient or else the person to place his or her arm on this table. Okay, table or anything, whatever is there, like you have to make the person support. Understand? In this way, you need to place the arm of the person so that he or she will relax and uh, he will sit comfortably. Okay, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट स्टेप जिसका मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर तुम मापोगे उसको बोलना है ये हाथ टेबल के ऊपर या फिर जो भी है उसके उसके सामने उसके पास उसके ऊपर रखने के लिए बोलेंगे, ठीक है, उसको ऊपर रखने के लिए बोलेंगे। और उसके बाद ये जो कफ है ना, देख रहे हो ना, कैन यू सी दिस? कैन यू सी दिस थिंग? Can you see this thing which I'm pointing?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the cuff. Okay, this is known as cuff. CUFF. So this cuff you need to place in the person's arm. Okay, upside, and just above the brachial artery. You can see just above the brachial artery. You have to place this cuff. तो ये कफ कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा उसको? ये ब्रेकियल आर्टरी है, ठीक है। तो ये ब्रेकियल आर्टरी के ऊपर ये कफ को रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो ये जो कफ है कहाँ पे प्लेस करना पड़ेगा? हार्ट लेवल। सो हियर इज योर हार्ट, सो यू हैव टू प्लेस दिस कफ just means just at this level. The level should be like similar, should be same. Understand? तो ये कफ जो है मतलब ठीक यहाँ पे हार्ट है तो यहाँ पे मतलब सेम लेवल में रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। समझ में आया? And you will have to ask the person to what means to place his feet on the floor. Okay, it should be on the floor. It should not be like above or at the top or something like that. तो ये जो पैर है, जो पाँव है, जो पेशेंट का, उसको उसको कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा? जमीन पे रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। उसको जमीन के नीचे उसका पाँव रखना पड़ेगा। समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you will have to do first, suppose if the person is coming like from stairs, 2-3 stairs running, and too much like tired you can say. अगर एक इंसान मतलब स्टेप के ऊपर आ रहे हैं, पूरा दौड़ रहा है, 2-3 मतलब 2-3 सीढ़ियों के ऊपर वो बहुत थक रहा है, ठीक है? तो तुम मतलब as soon as like the person will come, जब मतलब जो इंसान मतलब दौड़ रहा है तुम्हारे पास आएगा और बोलेगा मुझे मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर माप करो, तो तुम मापोगे। विल यू चेक द पर्सन्स blood pressure, like the person is too much tired coming from 2-3 stairs, will you measure his or her blood pressure at that time itself? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. Why Maharashi Datta?
He have to relax, ma'am.
Yeah, he have to relax. Okay, good. फर्स्ट वो पेशेंट जो इंसान है उसको रिलैक्स होना पड़ेगा। Okay, because why? It might fluctuate. I already told you in the first point, it's not it? मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया कि मतलब फ्लक्चुएट होता है, मतलब चेंज होता है, तो उसके कारण क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको आराम से बिठाना पड़ेगा पेशेंट को, या जो आ रहा है, ठीक है? तो you will have to ask the person to sit at least for 3 minutes. Understand? At least for 3 minutes, you will have to ask the person to wait. Or else you can say like if a person is smoking, or if a person is like having coffee or something like that, you won't just check it. You'll have to wait. Okay, अगर एक इंसान मतलब सिगरेट फूक रहा है या फिर कॉफी पी रहा है, उसको मतलब उसी वक्त में चेक मत करना, माप मत करना, ये थोड़ी देर के बाद माप करना, 2-3 मिनट के बाद हो जाएगा, ठीक है? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन टिल हियर? यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। तो this blood pressure na, it can be measured into this one machine or else instrument, you can say. So the first one, the first picture which you can see is sphygmomanometer. Okay, this is sphygmomanometer, and this is known as what? Digital blood pressure monitor. Okay, digital blood pressure monitor. So these are the two instrument used for measuring blood pressure. तो ये ब्लड प्रेशर हम लोग दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में माप कर सकते हैं। पहला क्या है? पहला स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर, जो पहले पिक्चर में है, ये जो पहला वाला पिक्चर है उसको स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर बोलते हैं, और जो नीचे में है ये जो दूसरा वाला है, ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको डिजिटल ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Did you understand till here? Shall we move to the next slide? Everyone?
Again, ma'am.
Again, okay. So we can measure blood pressure in two instruments, with the help of two instruments. So the first instrument is known as sphygmomanometer, this one. Okay, sphygmomanometer. And the second one, it is known as, what it is known as? Yes, Hamida? You're saying something? Digital blood pressure monitor. Okay, the second picture.
Digital,
Second,
ma'am.
yeah, digital.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, did you understand now? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us see now about digital blood pressure monitors. तो अभी हम लोग डिजिटल ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर्स के बारे में देखते हैं। तो ये जो कफ, ये जो कफ दिखाई दे रहा है ना, कफ सबको दिखाई दे रहा है, ये कफ। Can everyone see this cuff? Cuff?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this cuff you will have to place in the person's arm. Okay, I've already said na, means above the brachial artery you need to place it. So you have to place this cuff in the above the brachial artery. Understand? तो ये cuff कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा ये ब्रेकियल आर्टरी के ऊपर, ये ब्रेकियल आर्टरी के ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा, याद है? Wait, let me show you. So this one, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll have to place the cuff here. Means this is, here is your brachial artery, so you have to place it above. Understand? तो ये यहाँ पे brachial artery है, तो ये इसके ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा ये cuff, ठीक है? Okay, so this is the cuff. Then this thing, can you see this thing? 119. Yes, can you see this? ये 119 दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये जो नंबर है, ठीक है, ये सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर है जो ऊपर में है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड ना, सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर इज अबव. So in the digital thermometer, in the digital blood pressure monitors also, like you can see, okay, it means the first number which will be shown is systolic blood pressure. Understand? And the second one, the middle one, is diastolic blood pressure. That is when your heart relax. Understand? So this is diastolic blood pressure. So at the below this number, can you see this 60?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is pulse rate. Okay, means you will be able to see your blood pressure as well as your pulse rate also, like it will be shown. तो यहाँ पर ब्लड प्रेशर भी दिखाई देगा और ब्लड क्या पल्स रेट भी मतलब दिखाई देगा. 2 in 1 you can say. 2 in 1 machine you can say. Okay, so you'll have to press the power button here. After that, like you can check it. तो यहाँ पे पावर बटन है, तो उसको दबा के अपने आप वो हो जाएगा, चालू हो जाएगा. क्या समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts in digital blood pressure monitors? Any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no? Okay. Okay, but sometimes this digital thermometer, sorry, not thermometer, digital blood pressure monitors, no, sometimes used to be inaccurate. Inaccurate means what? Not that much correct. Especially the persons who are having what? Atherosclerosis. Okay, once more. Okay, wait, Alex. Okay. So this is digital blood pressure monitor. Okay, Zark Cheda. This is digital blood pressure monitors. So in this digital blood pressure monitor, what will you see? You will see cuff. This is the cuff. So in this cuff, what will you find? You will have to place in the person's arm. Okay, wait, let me show you. So this is the arm. Okay, just above the brachial artery, you need to place the cuff. You need to place the cuff above the brachial artery. And next is, this is the screen, you can say. This is the screen for digital blood pressure monitors. And the first number, which is at the top, is systolic blood pressure. Okay, means it will be visible in the screen itself. It will be visible. And the second one, also known as the middle one, it is what blood pressure used to be shown here? Diastolic. Understand? Diastolic blood pressure is shown here. And the third one, that is the last one, here you will find pulse rate. Understand? And this is the power button. So you press this power button and it will automatically work. It will automatically function. Okay. is it clear now? Is it clear now, Zark Cheda? Yes, Zark. 60 per minute हो गया क्या? Yes, this one is just the, what to say, just the example that I'm showing. This is not the, what to say, the normal one, you can say. Means just for your understanding I have shown you. ये जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, ये जो डिजिटल ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर है, ये मतलब ऐसे मैंने दिखाया है तुम लोग को समझ में आने के लिए. ठीक है, ये जस्ट एग्जांपल है. ठीक है, ये जस्ट एग्जांपल है तुम लोग को दिखाने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा ही आएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में आया? रोहित ठाकुर, ओके. तो ये डिजिटल ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर्स में क्या होता है, मतलब ये कभी कभी ये गलत भी हो सकते हैं, स्पेशली कहाँ पे, एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस पे. एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस क्या है, जो जिसका हार्ट अच्छे से फंक्शन नहीं करता ना, उसी वक्त मतलब ये ब्लड प्रेशर मतलब इतना वो काम नहीं करता है. बट इट्स नॉट दैट इट्स बैड. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब बुरा है या खराब है, बट sometimes like it fluctuates. It doesn't used to be similar. Okay. Okay, next is sphygmomanometer. This is sphygmomanometer, and this sphygmomanometer, this is the cuff. ये sphygmomanometer में ये cuff है, ठीक है, और ये column of mercury, ये जो है, ठीक है, यहाँ ये इसको बोलते हैं column of mercury. Okay, column of mercury. I've said to you in the very beginning that mercury mm of Hg. So this is the finding or the reading, you can say. तो ये जो है, इस यहाँ पे मतलब कितना है ये सब दिखाई देता है. ठीक है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, column of mercury. ओके, तो ये जो है, ये squeezable bulb बोलते हैं इसको. Squeezable bulb means you can squeeze it. It is like a bulb, bulb bulb. तो ये, this is a squeezable bulb. You can squeeze it, okay, where air is there inside it, and this is the air valve. Okay, तो ये air valve है जो हम लोग मतलब कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं एयर को. For today, I think it will be okay till this detail. About the sphygmomanometer, I explained to you clearly in the next class. Understand? Till here it's clear ना everyone? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया ना डिजिटल ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Systolic blood pressure means what? Bernoulli? सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर का मतलब क्या है? बर्नौली? हाँ, हाँ बर्नौली. Okay, who knows? Zach Chedda, do you know the answer? Zach,
क्या करें?
Zach,
हम
okay, Veronica, 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 do you know the answer? What happened? Sujata Dole, no reply. Saurabh Das, Saurabh Das, systolic blood pressure means Preeti, Preeti Siang Shai, Siang Shai. Preeti, do you know the answer? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell
Blood
me?
pressure is the pressure of calculating blood
No,
against the blood.
I'm asking about systolic blood pressure. I'm not asking you about blood pressure. I'm just asking you about systolic blood pressure.
Pardon, ma'am?
I'm asking about systolic blood pressure. What happened? Nobody knows the answer. First part, someone speaking. Yes, Sujata, you are saying something, but it's not clear. I can only hear first part. Okay, it's somewhat correct. It's partially correct, I can say. Okay. Okay, it's good. Okay, then that's all for today's class.